Hey there, Supercoder! Today, we're going to create something super exciting. We're going to remix the project Hour of Code 2024, Kindness Community Starter Project. I'm really excited about this one, so let's jump right in. First, let's play the project and see what it's all about.
Hi, I'm Geethanjali Rao. I created an AI-based anti-cyberbullying service called Kindly that aims to detect and prevent cyberbullying at an early stage. Kindness is important to me because it looks different to everyone, and I think empathy is one of the most important things. Will you write a message of kindness to share? Remix this project and add your message of kindness to the labeled sprite. Then, add your character to the labeled sprite to join our kindness community.
Okay, cool! Now we understand the goal of this kindness project. The first thing they ask us to do is to go to the Costumes tab and change the message. So here's what I'm going to do. I want to use this space to say a big thank you to my subscribers. I'm going to add a message like, I am thankful and grateful to you. And I'll also mention some viewers who supported me with positive comments. I'm thankful and grateful to all my subscribers. I'm thankful and grateful to all the viewers. And I'm especially thankful and grateful to everyone who takes time to comment and spread kindness. And just like that, our kindness message is complete. Now, then click on the Done button. Wow! Cool, right? Now, what are we going to do next? Yes! We're going to join the kindness community by adding a sprite with our own name. I'm going to pick a sprite from the library. Let's choose Luca. But wait, I don't want it to look exactly like Luca. I want to make it my own character. So first, let's place Luca in the correct spot. Go to the coding area and drag the Go To block, and place the sprite nicely on the screen. Okay, cool! Now let's rename Luca. I'm going to call this sprite Supercoderkid. Perfect! Next, I want to change the hair. So I go to the Costumes tab, and I'm going to add another character. I like this character's hair. Using the selection tool, I press Shift and carefully select just the hair. Copy it. Now go back to my Supercoderkid costume and paste it here. I don't need the old hair anymore, so I remove it. Now I adjust the new hair a little. I duplicate it to make it look different. And yes! Let's also change the color. Nice! Now I want to change the pants shape too, so I reshape them a little. Okay, that looks much better. Let's add some accessories. From the fashion category, I really like this scarf. So I copy the scarf and paste it onto my Supercoderkid sprite. Wow, that already looks cool! Next, I want to add a coat. I remember the witch sprite has a nice coat. So I add the witch as a costume, copy just the coat, and paste it onto my Supercoderkid. It doesn't fit perfectly yet. No problem. Using the Reshape tool, I fix the shape, and I change the colors to match my character. And done! Now we are officially part of the kindness community. That's it, Supercoder. I'll see you in another exciting game. Until then, happy coding! Bye!